Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start on the device now. Open Settings on the Apple Watch, then tap General and Orientation. Once done, you pick your wrist and crown position. You do this because the watch rotates the interface based on those two choices, so set crown left for right wrist or crown right for left wrist. Make the choice deliberately, this immediately flips the screen orientation. If you prefer the iPhone, open the Watch app, tap My Watch, then General and Orientation to do the same. Now change the two settings that control rotation. Tap wrist, pick left or right so the watch knows which side faces up. Next, set digital crown to the opposite side of the wrist you selected, then confirm. The watch redraws the screen immediately to match the new orientation, so you can verify app icons and text are right side up. If the display does not update, make sure the watch is not locked, then toggle the orientation controls once more. This forces the system to re-render the interface correctly. Finish by confirming everything looks correct. Swipe through faces, open apps, and read notifications. If the screen remains upside down, restart the watch, press and hold the side button, slide to power off, then hold again to restart, because system refreshes often resolve stuck orientation states. If restarting fails, update Watch OS via the Watch app, and only as a last resort unpair and repair the watch. That resets orientation data and will fix persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.